Hello, this is our sewing pattern for the 15-2 lampshade skirt. So on your sewing pattern you'll always have only half of it because we are putting the fabric break here so you can cut it in the fabric break and then you fold it out. What you can see is that we have notches here that are marked with an X and an O and an X, and you'll always fold the pleats from the X to the O. What you can also see is that the lines for folding are not parallel, and that is by intention because we want the pleats to go open to form that lampshade silhouette. So what you want to do, the little line here in between is the inner fold. So you have to see that you are folding that in. And in sewing, you always put the X on the O. So basically you're doing this. However, when folding your fabric, you have to be careful to follow the lines which are not parallel. And that is also the reason why your upper fold is not like a straight line, but it has these peaks, because when you fold it right, then all these peaks will be in one line and then you can sew on your waistband. You see how this line is going outwards? And when you're now putting the lines on, you can first see that these peaks are now, they have diminished, and that your pleat folds outward. So you have this beautiful design of the skirt getting more volume. Then you would of course secure your pleats here with a straight stitch and go all the way around, folding all these pleats, and then you have a beautiful lampshade skirt.